Good morning, we're back at it again. The second part of this series is I'm going to be working on the van insulation. So I've got two layers for this. There's a thermo acoustic layer and then there's also a recycled bottle layer that will go in it. So basically the plan today is to map out the flooring first. So I'm going to lay down the old flooring and then lay strips of the insulation that's going across the floor on top of it and then trace around the outside and then go and check if that fits. So I'm onto the roof now. I've literally just measuring up. The plan is to go across this direction, and then I've got to take into account I've got a extractor vent here, right here. So I'm going to have to cut around that and just be careful. This stuff is actually super easy to work with. I'm cutting it mostly with scissors. Yeah, so the plan is just to go ahead with this bit. Fully. Even gone around this little vent. It's not the neatest, but it doesn't have to be because I've got another roll of insulation going over the top of it. That's fine. I'm not putting a vapor barrier in, so again, it doesn't need to be the neatest. I'm pretty happy with how it's going. I'm just currently doing these bits here. I don't know if you can see, it's actually really hard to get down in here. These are just the offcuts of other bits that I've had. I'm just trying to hit these points here, and these points here. And then once I've done that, I'm going to target some of these easier areas like this. And then these big bits here are next.
Heard about summer snow.
So one of the things I've got to do today is that I've got to do behind this panel and also the sliding door panel. So I actually need to get this off and figure out how to do that. From what I can see, there's one of these little star screws in here, and then on the behind there's these little nubbins. So I'm hoping if I pull it off it won't all go tits up, but let's see what we get to.
Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing.
So I've got my, this is my insulation. This is recycled plastic bottles. And the reason that I've gone for this is because it shouldn't mold. That's the main reason, and I'm not putting a vapor barrier in, so this should be good. And now my plan is just for this door, because I've just done some really basic foil lining, is I'm going to shove this wool down into these cavities as much as possible without kind of impeding these wires here, just in case I did need to get back into this door. Again, I don't want to put anything over these and not be able to access them.
Cross a broken bridge in the fading light. Never thought ahead of my 2 feet. Never had a care in the world, you see. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live.
Okay, so I finished filling in these cavities now. They are looking really stuffed. All the ceiling's done as well. And I've actually been filling out some more into the back doors, just because I think they're probably a weak spot. And then the next thing to do is I've got some expander foam that you kind of like spray into these little holes that should be arriving at some point today. And I'll just finish off the little areas with those that I've missed. But that's all. That's everything for episode 2 of this van build. If you have liked it, then please do like, comment and subscribe, and feel free to share this to anybody that you like to. Thanks. Bye.
The more you love, the more you live.